Hello friends, in today's video we will discuss 3 Demat account where you don't need to pay any brokerage for delivery, intraday and futures and option trading. So stay tuned in the video. My name is Mahima Sharma and you are watching Tortoise Investors. Before this, I have already told you several times that if you want to find the best brokerage and demat accounts for yourself, you can choose based on only simple 4 steps. Let me explain the meaning of these 4 terms in the TOCUS formula, that is TOC and S. The TOCUS formula stands for technology, T, O for order, C for charges and S for services. If you check these 4 aspects within a broker and find them satisfactory, you can choose that broker for yourself. Now, the third term, which is charges. Charges is particularly highlighted because many investors pay significant attention to the aspect. Let me explain why charges are so important through an example. Consider a grocery store selling a product worth 1 lakh rupees. To make a profit from this 1 lakh product, the store needs to sell it at a price where a profit is generated. Similarly, when we buy shares, there are expenses associated with the purchase. In the stock market, probability is achieved when the selling price of the bought shares plus expenses is higher than the buying prices. So, let's take an example of buying biscuit worth 1 lakh rupees, incurring 10,000 rupees in the rent and electricity and additional expenses of 10,000 rupees. Now, for the biscuit to be profitable, the store needs to sell them at a price exceeding 1.3 lakh rupees. I hope this simple explanation helps you understand the concept. The point where the cost is covered and there is neither profit nor loss, which is in this case is 1.3 lakh, is called the break-even point. Now the question arises, if the expenses, for instance, the rent in this case are reduced, let's say to 1.2 lakhs, then the new break-even point becomes 1.2 lakhs. This means that even if the biscuits are sold at 1.21 lakh rupees, a profit will be made. Similarly, in trading also, many traders are unaware of various changes that are applied. Let's look at some regulatory charges. There is STT, Security Transaction Tax at 0.1% rate, exchange fees or transaction charges at 0.00325% on NSE and 0.0035% on BSE. And then there is SEBI, Security and Exchange Board of India fees. Understanding these charges is crucial for traders as they can impact that break-even point and overall profitability. There is a charge of 0.0001% for turnover and a stamp duty charge of 0.015%. Additionally, GST at 18% is applied. When you combine all these charges, it becomes 0.1185%. This means that if you buy shares worth 1 lakh rupees, you need to pay 118 rupees to various government entities. Moving on to brokerage, as of today, there is a brokerage charge of rupees 20 for both buying and selling side, making it 40 rupees for delivery, options and intraday across most brokers. However, if you find a broker that offers free brokerage, you can save the 40 rupees expense. This would bring down your break-even from 1.16 lakh to around 1.12 lakh rupees, allowing you to sell shares sooner and earn profit more quickly. Therefore, having a brokerage free demat account can be advantageous. Therefore, today I will tell you about 3 best demat accounts where you get brokerage free services and almost all accounts offer free account opening. In this list, the first broker is FlatTrade. FlatTrade provides a demat account where you get all charges free, from account opening to AMC and other charges, especially brokerage charges for free. Also, you get free delivery in FlatTrade. We are ranking this broker third because it is not that well established broker and we assume their technology may not be as advanced as we want. but they might improve in the future. The broker at the second position is Kotak Security with its trade-free youth plan. If you are below 30 years, you can opt for the trade-free youth plan, available for the first 2 years. Initially, when they introduced this plan, it was open for everyone, but now it is exclusively for those under 30. However, if you are under 30, you can switch to the trade-free plan within the first 2 years and you won't incur any delivery charges. The broker which is at the top position is Finvessia. Finvessia offers free account opening and maintenance. Moreover, you get free delivery, intraday trading and even future and options trading at no cost. That's why we have ranked Finvessia at the first position. It is important to note that just because a broker is at the second or third position doesn't mean it is bad. You can choose based on your preferences. Hopefully, now you can make an informed decision. Until next time, take care.